Welcome to Rain Centre, Burdwan. The foundation stone Rain Centre was inaugurated by Sri Nirupam Sen, Industry Minister, West Bengal. This is the rain garden which collects and helps to recharge rainwater from paved and unpaved areas. It has plants and local vegetation. The inverted umbrella logo of Rain Centre. Here we have artificial rain and working models below the rain. Through this artificial rain, you can actually experience how rainwater flows from your rooftop to the gutters or pipes and finally to the storage tank or a recharge well. Here you can see water flowing from rooftop to gutters and through pipe reaching to a storage tank or a recharge well. Now the runoff going into drain, then to a filtering tank and to a recharge well. This is the rainwater harvesting system of the Rain Centre building, having different components: storage tank, recharge wells, storage pond, etc. Here we have a storage tank for drinking purpose, ferro cement tank with a storage capacity of 12,000 liters. Water is coming from the rooftop, and with the help of first flushing, initial pollutants are discarded through this diversion wall, and then water is stored into the storage tank. The overflow is diverted into a rainwater pond. There is also provision to store rainwater in overhead tank, which can be used for toilet flushing and washing purpose. Now we are entering into the exhibition hall. LCD off. This is the exhibition hall of the Rain Centre, where you have a number of panels showing the problems of District Burdwan, national level, problems related to water like declining groundwater levels, floodings, river pollution, deteriorated water quality through arsenic, iron and other things. The traditional rainwater harvesting systems of India, ancient rainwater harvesting systems, water management system of Burdwan, basically flood irrigation, and different panels showing technology of rainwater harvesting, how you can store or groundwater recharge. Here you can see the information related to Burdwan district's rainfall, geological map, hydrogeological map, river basins and land use map. This panel is about water bodies, how they are disappearing, and here you can see number of case studies on rainwater harvesting, where rainwater harvesting has been implemented. Kolkata Raj Bhavan, Ajodhya Pahad High School in Purulia, BDO office in Bhatar, Gariya Hatmal, Kolkata, Shantimay Nagar Primary School, and this is a case study where people have restored water bodies. These are two panels about Center for Science and Environment and Burdwan Jilla Parishad. We also have a quiz or games on water in the center, and also a water testing kit where you can check potability of your water. You can check at least 14 parameters. There is a special kit to check arsenic, because arsenic is a major problem in West Bengal. This is the office where you have display of pamphlets, brochures and books. Number of films are also available in the Rain Centre. We will also have a technical expert and feedback book where you can put your comments.